straight all the way down to your thighs and buckle in that seatbelt in between your knees.
Perfect.
All right, everybody, welcome to Defiance. Before we get you moving, let's make sure you're all sitting with your heads and your backs straight up against your seats. Please keep all of your limbs within the ride at all times. If you need something to hold on to, stick to those silver bars embedded into your restraints, and do not unbuckle your seatbelt until I've given you explicit permission to do so. All clear.
Woo! Woo!
Look at that view.
Oh man.
Dude. Look at this. Yeah.
Woo! Okay. Oh. Okay.
Dude, my heart is like racing right now. Yeah.
Woo! Woo!
Oh my God.
Woo! 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 Oh man. Oh man.